In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Google Veo 3 in your phone or PC. There are 3 simple steps in this process. Last step to creating a cinematic video with audio. Step 1. Subscribe Google AI Studio or Gemini using your bank details. I'm not going to show this process in this video. Try find out by other YouTubers. Step 2. After purchase subscription, you have to go to Google and then search Gemini Veo 3. After that, you have to go first website, then click try Veo. Now here you can describe your video by prompt, then click on send button. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to create your video. After the creation, it will send you the final result. Step 3. Access the most powerful Veo 3 by using Flow. For this, go to Chrome browser and search Flow. After that, log in with your subscribed Gmail. After that, click on new project and your Veo 3 is accessed in Flow. Here you can access 3 different model of Veo. Veo 2 fast and quality, Veo 3 fast and quality. And then type your prompt and click on send button. If you use Veo 3, then it will take 100 credits per video and you will receive 1000 credit for free for 1 month. And that is how to access Google Veo 3 in your computer or phone.